Good afternoon and welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I'm sitting here with Stephen Milne. Stephen, how are you doing?
I'm fantastic, Charlie. How are you?
Yes, very well, very well. Now, look, just tell me about this fantastic new flybridge we're sitting on. Obviously, Riviera has gone up and above and has really set himself a new level here. We have got full granite bench tops. We have got suction doors. We have got clip-down chairs in the dining room. This boat is built for sea and nothing but. Just shed some more light on some of the fixtures and fittings we have.
Well, Charlie, I think first of all I'd like to just start off by telling you that this is the largest production cruiser ever built in Australia at 70 feet. We've actually sold 5 of these boats, which is a remarkable achievement considering the boat was only launched 2 weeks ago, and this is its first public appearance. So I think that says something of people's expectation when Riviera launched a new boat. But at 70 feet and $4.7 million base boat price, Riviera has wanted to make sure that this is the best boat we have ever built in 28 years, and nothing has stopped us. We've got the Frank Mulder hull. This boat here is doing something like 35 knots, and inside we've got every conceivable piece of luxury. The flybridge has a huge opening sunroof, side opening windows, awning window at the back of the flybridge, internal staircase. Inside we've got 4 cabins, 4 bathrooms, and the master suite is a full width master, large portholes either side, and opening ports into the ensuite bathroom. So it's just bathed with natural light. Best of the timbers, best of the leathers, and in the main saloon, huge galley. It's forward on this particular boat, raised up 1 step from the saloon. Opposite the galley you've got a very large formal dining area that actually has freestanding chairs that seats 8 people. And then directly off the saloon we've got our mezzanine alfresco area, which is a large dining table and seating area, so you can sit there under total comfort, out of the sun, out of the rain, and watch the world go by, or if you're into fishing, sit there and watch somebody reel in a black marlin.
Look, this boat's fantastic. I mean, sitting in this boat just gives me a great feel. Unlike before, these awning windows virtually open this boat up as if you are sort of in an inside-outside living area. It's quite an amazing feeling. You really need to hop down here and have a look at the Riviera stand. Riviera holds the largest display of new boats, is that right?
That's correct. It's the largest single display here on the marina at Darling Harbour, and it's the largest display we've ever had here in Sydney. What you'll find is there's 24 boats on display, not only the full Riviera line, but our Marine network also is the Australian and New Zealand distributors for the Grand Banks range and the Princess range of Euro flybridge and sport yachts. So there's an exciting range of boats here. It's beautiful weather at Darling Harbour, crystal clear skies, just a little bit of breeze. Great day to come down and have a look at the show.
So if you haven't already been down, do pop down. We are opposite the IMAX here, and you can't miss it. The Riviera flags are everywhere. Thanks for your time today, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, Charlie. Fantastic, and thank you to Boats Plus for your support of Riviera.
Cheers. Thanks very much.